What's up guys, you're watching this Tech Show, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 4 error, and the error is CE-35340-5. This service may be under maintenance. It's a network error, and I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Let's go to the screen here, and account in management. Here's the login setting. Must your PSN account is logged in or not, and then go to the network. Here we go to the network and view PlayStation Network services. Sometimes the server is down, undergoing maintenance. Sony are working on the updates. That's why you get this. And if the server is working up and good, then you have a local internet problem. So you must check your own internet connection, test it. I'll use a LAN cable from router to PlayStation 4, and you will set up a new internet connection. You can change the DNS settings, primary DNS, secondary DNS, which one is working good in your country. You just put it back here and set it, and it will be work. So simply that's how you can do it. And here is a internet connection. Here simply you just set it, and you can test it also. So simply that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.